Welcome back to Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. We've got a really exciting episode for you today, diving deep into something every business owner dreams of, truly automating those pesky, repetitive tasks.
Absolutely, Jamie. We're talking about no-code AI solutions that don't just move data around, but actually finish the job. You know, the article we're discussing today really hits home with how much human glue still holds most business processes together.
It's so true. Think about it. Someone manually copies a lead into a CRM, answers the same question for the 10th time, or chases an approval. Each task might be small, but collectively they eat up hours that should be spent on growth. The article highlights how revenue quietly leaks out when a lead cools because it was waiting on a human.
Exactly. And the promise of no-code AI is huge, handling inbound requests 24/7, qualifying leads, booking appointments, and updating systems all in the middle of the interaction. Plus, running autonomous background agents for follow-ups and connecting to the thousands of tools we already use.
And the best part? It's supposed to go live in days, without a developer, and scale with usage, not headcount. But as the article points out, the market is loud, and many vendors sound identical. Some move data, some chat, some run background jobs. Very few do it all well, and fewer still without needing a developer.
That's why this ranking from CogniAgent is so valuable. They judge these platforms on what they actually finish, rather than just how they demo. And at the top of their list for really tying the conversation, the decision, and the workflow into one process is CogniAgent itself.
CogniAgent sounds like a game changer. It unites three native pillars: conversational AI, autonomous agents, and deterministic automation, all in one no-code system. So a workflow can trigger a conversation, and a conversation can trigger a workflow, with agents operating across both. It's about treating the whole process as one system.
What really sets it apart, according to the article, is that it acts, not just responds. The conversational agent can validate input, check data, update systems, book appointments, and confirm results while the customer is still on the line. No more waiting for a human to catch up.
And those autonomous agents run in the background like virtual AI employees, handling screening, follow-up, and research, even adapting when input wasn't scripted. Plus, the AI concierge can build automation canvases from a plain language description, connecting to over 2,700 integrations. It's built for SMBs and service businesses, not an engineering team.
The reliability numbers are impressive too. A study showed CogniAgent reached a 92% first attempt success rate, significantly outperforming other approaches. That's the difference between automation that saves time and automation that creates cleanup work. And it's low risk to start with a free tier and 5,000 credits on sign-up.
Beyond CogniAgent, the list features other strong contenders, each with unique strengths. We have Lindy AI, great for non-technical teams building AI assistants for email and calendar. Relevance AI, which helps build teams of AI agents for sales and operations. Gumloop, transforming repetitive knowledge work into visual AI workflows. Stack AI, for enterprises automating complex, document-heavy processes.
Then there's Zapier, a classic for connecting thousands of apps with a light AI layer, and Make, offering detailed control over multi-step logic. UiPath is there for large organizations orchestrating agents and robots at scale, and N8N provides open, flexible AI workflow automation for more technical teams. So there's a tool for almost every specific need.
But the key takeaway from the article is that while many of these solutions are excellent at one layer of a process, moving data, running background agents, or holding a conversation, a truly complete business process crosses all three. And the moments that decide revenue, like customer conversations and judgment calls, often get handed back to a person.
Exactly. A purpose-built cognitive AI platform like CogniAgent aims to make process automation complete by adding the conversational AI that acts mid-conversation and the autonomous agent that decides when a case goes off script. It really closes the loop most solutions leave open.
So if you're looking to automate processes that actually finish themselves, starting with a platform that handles the whole journey from conversation to decision to action seems like the smart move. You can sign up for CogniAgent, get those free credits, and measure the difference this week.
Fantastic insights, Jamie. That wraps up another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for listening. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.